We have a display on the wall here in the gift shop. This is all about the life of building number 2, which was built in 1904. Here is an old-time photograph of when it was basically new. Here's a shot in the snow. Here's what it looked like 15 or 20 years ago. The railroad still occupied the building as an office for their track workers, but they didn't have anything in their budget for paint. So this was really one of the motivations for our local citizens. This is the centerpiece of our town. We really wanted to do something about that. The city negotiated with the railroad, and in 2005, I believe, the city was able to get control of the building from the railroad. We had a key exchange ceremony. We spent 2 years with volunteer labor. We also, the cities at random times would provide a work crew to help our friends of the Tehachapi Depot volunteers. And we actually had prisoners from the Tehachapi prison were in here working right alongside of us. So we spent 2 years fixing up the building, had it looking really great. And Friday the 13th of June 2008, middle of the night, a couple men playing with fireworks, and we lost it. This is all that was left. So this is sort of the life history of building number 2.